Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing well. I decided to participate in the latest content creation contest at Publish 0x. If you're not familiar what Publish 0x is, it's a blogging site, probably mainly interesting for people that are involved in crypto. Every user can publish their own content, can use free tips to support their favorite publishers, so I highly recommend to check Publish 0x out if you didn't come across this website so far. I put a link down below in the description as well. However, every now and then they have a content creation contest going on. That means as a blogger you can look at something new or even something you're not familiar with and create a nice piece of content about the topic. You might think blogging is supposed to be in writing. Yes, but in this case the rules of the contest allow me to make a video as well. In my opinion, this makes sense as we are going to cover a very complex topic, and it's nice to approach content creation differently compared to what you're used to. So we're going to take a look at ChangeNow. What is ChangeNow? ChangeNow is a cryptocurrency exchange platform, and I guess a lot of people might think now, not another crypto exchange, please. But let's dive into it and see what's different and what problem it seems to solve. First of all, it's a non-custodial exchange. That means you don't have to deposit your crypto before you can change it to another cryptocurrency. You have full control about your crypto by managing all your tokens through your preferred wallet. Second, as you can see here, there's no registration required. So you can swap your crypto straight away without going through the typical know your customer checks. Although I don't mind doing those checks, let me point out why I think this is really a big differentiator. I like blockchain games, and most of the games I prefer are running on the Ethereum blockchain. Any kind of in-game purchase is handled through Ethereum. If I'm playing on a Saturday night and want to put some money into the game, I don't want to wait days till I'm finally approved to buy or swap Ethereum. I want it instant without waiting for approval. Third, you can choose from over 200 cryptocurrencies and more than 30,000 trading pairs. The advantage here is that you don't have to go through multiple steps compared to exchanges / trading platforms. If you're interested in a specific altcoin, usually my experience is that you have to hold BTC first before you can actually swap it for an altcoin. By using ChangeNow here, you avoid going through an additional step before you can actually get your hands on the token you're interested in. As you can see on the main page, ChangeNow is available for Android and iOS as well. On top, if you need some crypto really quick on a Friday or Saturday night playing blockchain games, and all you have is your credit card, ChangeNow supports Visa and MasterCard as well. So you can easily use your credit card to buy crypto here. Before we jump into the demonstration how to exchange assets on ChangeNow, I would quickly like to talk about security, as this might be the biggest concern when it comes to using a new platform. And I reckon that is one of the reasons why we have seen huge success across some decentralized exchanges since the beginning of the year. It's pretty much their way of doing things. It's fully transparent, right? I mentioned that there's no registration required, but keep in mind that despite ChangeNow might be fairly anonymous, they have to comply with regulations when it comes to preventing money laundering. I went on different websites and I found out that there's a risk prevention system in place. So if this system classifies something as suspicious, there's the possibility that your swap transaction can be put on hold and the system escalates the swap to a know your customer procedure. And then you will have to provide the usual documents. There's no information available when the system marks a swap as suspicious, but I can imagine if you want to swap, for example, Monero worth over 100 or 10k, chances are probably very high that this is a suspicious activity. Maybe some other privacy coins as well, not sure. However, I don't see a problem here, as most people will use it in a smart way anyways, to avoid additional steps or simply because it's very easy to use. So let's jump into a quick demonstration how you can swap cryptos by using ChangeNow. On the front page, we can see the interface we're going to use swapping cryptos. Let's say we want to swap 100 basic attention token for Ethereum. There are two options available: fixed rate and classic rate. You can choose a fixed rate and determine exactly at what price you want to complete your swap. The classic rate comes down to the best rate available for the trading pair we're going to look at. So this is an estimation. It's not 100% correct, as you will always have the price fluctuating to the up or downside before your swap finds its way to the order books. Then we click exchange. Similar to the previous interface, 100 basic attention token for 0.1 Ethereum. We now have to enter our Ethereum payout address and click next. Once again, we see an overview about our swap. We get a quick estimation that the swap might take between 2 to 40 minutes. I reckon because it's quite a common trading pair that this swap will be completed within 10 to 15 minutes. We agree with the terms and conditions and click on confirm. The system is waiting now for our deposit. Down here, we can enter an email address to receive a notification once the swap has been completed. We can easily scan the QR code or copy this address from here and transfer 100 basic attention token. Then the exchange will take place and our 0.1 Ethereum is going to be transferred to our recipient wallet. Done. And that's pretty much how easy it is and how you can swap different cryptocurrencies easily and fast without creating another account or waiting to get approval for trading at all. Last but not least, if you have your own website, you can integrate this trading widget from ChangeNow on your website as well. Sign up as an affiliate and then you have already all resources ready for download. I started to use GitHub as my website repository. As you can see here, we click on CoinSwap, top right on ChangeNow, and we have the same interface here we just used to perform our swap between basic attention token and Ethereum. So think of using ChangeNow the next time you need to swap different tokens. Myself, I used ChangeNow twice so far. One transaction where I was able to save some dollars in fees by using ChangeNow compared to going through a trading platform, as I didn't have to trade for BTC first, right? And the second transaction where I bought $25 worth of Ethereum with my credit card as a birthday present. To complete the whole experience here, I would like to see a way to swap my cryptos to fiat. So there's currently no way of doing it. Not only from fiat to crypto, but overall I find ChangeNow very convenient. If you watched this video to the end, thank you very much. I hope it was helpful for some of you. I put different links in the description. It was fun to create this video, although the outcome looks slightly different to what I had in my mind. Please leave me a like and or subscribe here on YouTube. Perform a swap ideally through the widget on my GitHub page, link below. Follow me on Twitter, tip me on Publish 0x, leave me a comment. A lot of ways to support me as a content creator. Stay safe, take care, see you next time.